In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a lesson complete in Skool. If you're working through a course on Skool, marking lessons as complete is a simple way to keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Let's walk through exactly how to do it, and I'll share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start by opening the lesson you're currently working on. You'll find your lessons inside the Classroom tab for your course. From the main course area, head into Classroom, then select the module or section you're in and click the specific lesson you want to finish. Give the page a moment to load so all the lesson content, like videos, text, or resources, appears correctly. It's a good idea to complete everything in the lesson first, whether that means watching to the end, reading any notes, or reviewing attachments, so your completion accurately reflects your progress. At the top of the lesson page, look for a small checkmark icon. It's typically near the lesson title or header area and is designed to be easy to spot. This is the control you'll use to mark the lesson complete. If you hover your cursor, you may see a brief label that confirms it's for completion. Make sure you're on the correct lesson and that you're ready to record it as done. When you finish the lesson, click the checkmark. That single click tells Skool you're done with this lesson. You don't need to submit anything else here, just the click. If you accidentally click too early, look for an option on the page to change it back. Availability can vary by course setup. Once you click, Skool updates your course progress automatically. You should notice your progress percentage increase, and the lesson will appear as completed the next time you view the classroom list. This helps you see at a glance what's done and what's next. In some courses, completing a lesson may also help unlock subsequent content or keep your learning streak going, so it's a good habit to mark things off right after you finish. If you don't immediately see the checkmark icon, give the page a quick refresh. Some courses may also require you to view certain parts of the content before the option appears. As long as you're in the correct lesson within the Classroom tab, the checkmark is the exact spot to confirm completion. That's all there is to it. Open the lesson in the Classroom tab, find the checkmark at the top, click it when you're done, and your progress updates automatically. Keep moving through your course and marking each lesson complete to stay organized and focused.